So I've been working pretty diligently, like on these rims, and I ran into an issue when I was went to fix this one right here, which it's fixed now. Um, but when I went to go TIG weld it, it normally aluminum gives you like a blue hue, but this one gave me a green hue, and it welded shit. It had a bunch of like trash in it, and I was like, wait up, hold up. I was like, my gas is good, everything's good. So I grabbed some white vinegar and I stuck it right here, and it started sizzling. And that's when I knew it was magnesium. Magnesium can be welded. You have to weld it with a special filler metal with argon, which I do have. Some guys will use helium to make that weld a little deeper if you need to. Even though these rims aren't marked magnesium, they're definitely magnesium. And I've been taking them to a torch, sandblasting cabinet, everything, not knowing that they were magnesium. But the only thing about magnesium is just if you go grinding and stuff, so the shavings, you don't want the shavings anywhere near when you're welding because they'll catch fire, and it takes a Class D fire extinguisher to put it out. So it can be super hazardous. I gotta wait on magnesium welding rods now, so I can fix the crack in that one. And I get two inserts coming, and then hopefully that'll solve all the issues that I have with these. But a lot more challenging I thought initially it was going to be. Oh, and a side note, if you see anything with like aluminum inserts, just assume the rim's probably magnesium, because I was trying to think, like, why does it have aluminum inserts for the lug nuts? It's because the rim's magnesium. Also, if you take this to a powder coater, the chemicals that they use to strip the powder coat is really good at stripping the powder coat, but it's also really good at damaging magnesium. And so a lot of times they won't accept it as a fire hazard, and so they'll just turn the jobs away completely. Some shops, maybe most, don't know how to deal with magnesium, or they won't accept it. If you look up on like YouTube or any other resources on powder coating magnesium, there's not very many resources.